Live feed.
Here you go. Show them what you put on there.
All right, we got us we got Gary Williams' little reversion plate. It's a special made spacer he makes. It's billet aluminum. Supposed to help pick the booster signal up on the carburetor, make everything way under better.
If that works, we're going to go take our Pro Charge cars and put one of them on it, Axe.
I think we can fit one on there.
Man, you'll get one on there regardless.
A big one, like what is it?
Shit, if that makes a difference, we'll just go get a nut and put a nut on there. Put two of them on there, right? Yeah. We'll figure something out, yeah.
I dropped this one right there.
What's going on, Brandon Lewis? What's going on, Hunter? What's going on, Stacy, Michael?
Let me see that light. I dropped my one.
I got right here. I got it.
What's going on, Jonathan? Brian Norville. We out here in Vegas tweaking on the little Chevy too.
One there.
It's my side.
Oh, I'm not putting it over that car.
Yeah, let me put it there.
You see, I couldn't even say it fast enough. I was like, might as well just react.
Yeah.
Hey man, that wouldn't be no fun.
I don't want to be that
You gotta
guy.
dance with the devil
Y'all see
every
that?
now and then.
Precious, look up here. Precious, look up. She turns into an English bulldog at night. She gets in a race car. She turns into a queen, y'all.
Axel.
You don't think that's funny, do you? Okay, we seeing what Gary Williams got going on. He's saying it makes a difference. Be careful of that down throttle. We fought with that down throttle. You need a clothes hanger on that. Queen, when they get through, you need to get in there and make sure it's getting all throttle.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta have our hat. Here it is.
What's going on, Jamie?
Put this here.
Rebecca, Kentucky.
This a damn socket.
What's going on, Mike, Keystone?
Real deep.
Uh-oh.
This thing's deep sockets anymore.
I might call him.
Is that your ringer?
Boy, if you bring that track hawk up here, we're going to take this Chevy too and gap it. You seen that, how much horsepower we made on the dyno. We ain't make but 575. Hold on. I'm going to put you on speakerphone. I got the live feed going. I'm going to let the world hear what you're saying. How much horsepower did that, how much horsepower did the track hawk make?
We made 940 to the wheels.
940 to the wheel. Well, Precious just made, how much she make? Precious makes on 575 with the hood open. That means Sarah Midget got to ride with the hood open for her to make the 75.
525 with the hood closed.
525 with the hood closed. So we get through here. We're gonna let Axe flag. How you gonna flag it, Axe?
Everybody gets 5.
Everybody gets 5. We're gonna run that track hawk. We're gonna see if this 575 is gonna be able to do anything with that 900. What do you think? You got it on point?
Yeah, I think we got her tuned up, man.
All right, come over here. We at Insane. Type in Insane and come over here.
Okay, we'll be
All
there
right.
probably 30, 40.
All right. Them boys in Texas, they've been working on the track hawk. They put it on E85, put I think a cam, headers, or something else. And we've been here bootleg working on this Nova, so it's getting ready to be a drag race. Old school versus new school. If we lose, we're going to all dog pile Brian Britt.
That can't handle it.
I got you back, Brian. We all good.
All right.
What's going on, Billy?
We'll stack up to a full size adult.
That's right. Me and Brett together, we make one person.
Took the Queen's nitrous off that way. Everybody keep making her take it off, so we took it off
That's
for
2
them.
to 4.
Said, we took the nitrous off your car. Everybody always wants you to take it off, so we're just going to stop. And Axe said some good stuff when he said, man, if you don't take that nitrous off that car, Precious and her sister going to end up whooping somebody when they go to arguing.
Well, now they're just going to complain with you like because we took the weight off.
Now when they go to, if they say don't take your nitrous off, now they might tell you take your wheel off, something.
Take my wheel off.
Something. Hopefully they'll say take your hood off, make 25 more or 50 more horsepower. If they say take the hood off, don't argue with them. Say, okay, okay.
That's the next rule. Can't take the hood off.
What's up, George? Donald? What's going on, Joe?
This one. Crazy.
These weirdos. Chelsea, come here. Come here, girl. Come here, Chelsea. Come here, Chelsea. That might ain't Chelsea or she'll try to eat the cans. I don't know what Sassy got going on, y'all. Get ready to make a pull. Y'all just get ready. They getting paid by the hour. What's going on, Cody? Robert? Randy? We trying to get some bootleg horsepower.
Yeah. They're all 85 foot-pounds of all.
All right, I'm going to let them finish it, then I'm going to jump back on here when we get back on the dyno. Here in just a few minutes, we're going to jump back on the dyno and see if the little spacer or whatever done the deal. I'm going to come back on just in a second, y'all. Rolling. Here we go, y'all. We took the nitrous plate off, and we put the little spacer. Put the little spacer on there to see if it makes any difference. But in Gary Williams' defense, I think there might have been another spacer. We ain't for sure. But we're going to try this.
Gotta get a little temperature. Up a little bit. Here we go.
looking man knows something. He knows something. He a smart mouth joker. He's arrogant. He's an asshole. And he charges 3 prices, but I'm going to tell you what. It is what it is. I got to give him credit. 25 horsepower.
Just like that.
That's what I said. He talk all that old... he talk all that old trash. We put it to the test. There, y'all seen it. All we done, we took the nitrous kit off and we put a little old jack leg plate that he said he told us to put on there, and it picked up 25 horsepower. There you go. What'd you say about it?
That's
Same
great.
torque, but straightened off the top immensely. Look at that.
That
Yeah, but look at over here. Look
I
how
know
much it
it.
carried up top. Wait a minute, let's get the top.
We're gonna go over here and see what you got going on. What do you say, Queen? Let's see what we're doing over here, y'all.
So from right there to there,
It liked RPMs with that, didn't it?
now it like the RPM. Look at that. Brian, can you see that?
What was it?
Explain it to us,
Look
tell
at
it for the
this.
people.
We dropped from the green at this point was 586, right?
Right.
At the same point down here on the red one, it was 483. It's 100 horsepower difference.
From when we started.
No, from its power range at the top, it carried 100 horsepower more over on the RPM.
Wow.
Usable power.
Wow.
So explain that to us in English.
But it also picked up 500 RPM. It made peak power at 500 more RPM and picked up 100 over the curve.
You think any...
Explain it to us what that means. I mean, in English, so poor people like me can understand.
So the motor picked up RPM because the airstream's cleaned up because of the plate. We broke up the reversion and it gained almost 100 horsepower over the crest power number.
Okay.
So as you can see, the green line, it carried way over the other ones. Right there.
Which means where the motor was falling off
Off,
earlier.
you see where the motor fell way off back here?
Earlier.
Look at it, carried all the way
and
up there.
it held it out here.
1,200 more RPM.
Yeah, yeah.
So it pulled it, it liked it.
Yeah, it liked the RPM, 1,200 more.
Yeah.
We need that second plate.
Me and Axeman got a theory. If one plate helps it 25, what do you say, Axeman? We're going to cut a hole in the hood. Here what we're going to do, cut a hole in the hood, put 4 of them on there. All right, y'all. We took off the Queen's nitrous and we put a little bitty plate on there. Some, what do you call it? What is,
That's a special Gary Williams. It's a reversion type plate that he builds. It's a billet piece.
and I'm going to tell you, that fool's high. He charged you 8 prices for them carburetors. He's very expensive, but he's an asshole. He's smart aleck. When you try to say something to him, you can't hardly talk to him. But I'm saying the carburetors work. What now? Hold on, let's get over and see what he's talking about. What you say now?
All right, go back more. Hold on, let me close this one. Hold on, so here's the last run. Okay, and open that. Okay, and now we're gonna open this one. I think it's 38, that one. There you go.
See the difference? Break it down to us so the normal people at home can know.
Okay, let me make it real clear first.
Because you talking on mechanic monkey talk, I don't even know what you're talking about.
Look at the difference.
Tell me what you're doing and what you mean.
We went from 523 when you first rolled in
Right,
to 606.
right.
We went from 489 torque to 495. We carried 1,200 more RPM over where it fell off. That's where it fell off. We went from 516 to 602.
There we go.
Oh!
Tell them, Queen, we're going to close the night out. All right, y'all, we jumping off here. And you know what? Ain't nobody paid me a quarter to do nothing. I wanted to see for myself. The man charged me a fortune for them damn old carburetors, and I don't mind paying for it if it works, but I seen for myself. And Brett
I
here,
wouldn't believe it.
he didn't finger screw the thing. We used the exact same numbers that we started from all of it.
Every time, every time.
All right, y'all. Y'all seen it for yourself. All right, we're out of here.